like Facebook is the father of all apps. When there is a Facebook, then only we have got Instagram.
Facebook is an outdated app. So Sarthak, first of all, you are disrespecting your father, you know.
But designed in such a way to make the people addictive. Like interface is very old time. What is Instagram? Hi everyone. Hi sir. Well, world of social media. So guys, हमारे बीच में है तीन social media platform. At the left we have got Facebook. In front we have got WhatsApp. At the right we have got Instagram. These are the three social media platforms, and I want you people to simply stand and raise your voice and prove this why this particular app is better than other apps. So simply come and share your opinion.
Hi, I'm the Instagram. I'm the lowest, world biggest platform to watch reels and etc. You know, in the world, more than 8 billion users of Instagram. It means, and you must have known that in the world, more than 8 billion is population. It means mostly prefer to watch Instagram. You can earn money, you can upload your daily stories, you can upload reels, you can gain a knowledge in only some little bit time. It means you are getting a knowledge in little bit time. You are saving your time.
You really need to brush up your brain because, as you may have seen, like Facebook is the father of all apps. When there is a Facebook, whenever there is a Facebook, then only we have got Instagram. You have got people just from Facebook because Facebook owns Instagram. And as you are saying, people are daily uploading their stories on the Instagram, but it doesn't fill your stomach. And you are saying Instagram give you a source of earning, but it doesn't directly give you a source of earning. It just give you to collab with some channels, and they will pay you on the behalf of your advertisement.
My God, Facebook and Instagram, they both have started fighting. I want WhatsApp to say something. Please, WhatsApp.
Let me introduce you to the greatest app of all time, WhatsApp. The most used app in the whole world used for communications, and much better than all these two apps, what's known as Facebook and Instagram. It is the most developed app. It has been developing from last so long, and even till this date, many of the new features are being developed. Well, this is the major reason that why this app is much better than these two apps.
As you talked about WhatsApp, but in WhatsApp we cannot even neglect people which we really wanna hate them because blue tick is there. So we cannot even ignore your message even after seeing it. But on Facebook, it has got a feature. So what do you talk about it?
Well, thank you for narrating a beautiful poem. But let me tell you what are the benefits of WhatsApp. Even a Chinese philosopher said, nature does not hurry, but everything is accomplished. And this is what we can learn from WhatsApp. There are platforms like Instagram and Facebook by which we get into the world of distraction, and these distraction will lead to the destruction of our life. Even the former designer of Google said Instagram and Facebook are designed in such a way to make the people addictive into the world of technology, and by which they're killing the youth.
These all three companies hold by Mark Zuckerberg. And did you know in his share, we all know that Mark Zuckerberg is one of the richest person in this world. Why so? Because Instagram give them a huge revenue more than WhatsApp and Facebook. Most of the people watch Instagram.
As Tarun stated, most of the people are watching Instagram. So let me tell you, by the watching Instagram, people just doing their time waste. Okay, and you mentioned earlier that you can earn the money from the Instagram. So let me tell you, that is wrong. You cannot earn the money from the Instagram. You can earn the money from the YouTube only. And I would like to go on Tarun's opinion, as he mentioned that like if someone send us message, then there is a blue tick, right? And we cannot ignore that message. So there is a setting in WhatsApp that read recipients. You can turn off that, and then you can ignore this that person's message simply. And there is like one more option, that is paying option. through the WhatsApp you can pay the money to the any persons.
WhatsApp, you are talking about the best app among all of the app, but it has got some useless features like payment option. We have Paytm, we have PhonePe, we have Google Pay. Who the hell gonna use WhatsApp for the payments? It is not necessary to add this feature. And the second thing is why Instagram are better than every apps. Let's go on a Facebook first. Facebook is very outdated app. People used to use this Facebook, but now majority of the people are shifting to Instagram just because of their interface. Their interface is like very old fashioned. Majority youths are not prepared to watch this.
So as you are saying that Facebook's like interface is very old fashioned. So what is in Instagram? They have just changed the outline of front. Like if you are going to scroll that same as Instagram, and if you will scroll it in a way that we use in Instagram also, it's just the line which is upstairs, it is downstairs. It's just different in Instagram. There is nothing specific, very brilliant and attractive in Instagram. Nothing. And let's move on to the Facebook. Facebook is the first app which got launched for connecting people. It was the first app which got launched in 2007. And WhatsApp and Instagram got launched in 2009 in February. So Facebook was the first app. And you are saying that it become outdated just like us. And 19 years old. You are also a 19-year-old guy. So how you are saying that you are not old fashioned? You are also old fashioned.
As you are talking about UI of that app. So let me clarify one thing that WhatsApp has improved its UI very much along your Facebook or Instagram. You know what? How? Like status, channels, the community, and other calls sections. And lots of sections are there in WhatsApp which even don't, which Instagram don't have and the Facebook don't have. One more thing that I want to mention that is about the technology. As you all know, in today's world, AI is very much important, and in WhatsApp, we all use bots. In WhatsApp, the companies use the bots very much because this is very much easier to for the company to use and to sell their products. So I think that by the Instagram and by the Facebook, it's not that much easy to give the product to the customer. I think that in this sector, WhatsApp is better.
As Sarthak stated, Facebook is an outdated app. So Sarthak, first of all, you are disrespecting your father, you know, because as Tarun mentioned that Facebook is the father of these two apps, and not just this, but Facebook is something that gives us many other things too. It helps us to connect with people, and especially there is no any kind of content which will harm our mind. And harm our mind here means that it will not have any ugly content. Just like the
First of all, my father is not Facebook, he's Hukumsa. Okay? And the second thing is, you said Facebook is better. है ना? Why it is better? It is old fashioned. People who are old age use this app, but nowadays people prefer Instagram just because of their eye catchy interface. Facebook has blue lines, that weird things that does not catch your eyes, that does not very interesting looking. But Instagram has got these kind of abilities to attract people towards them.
So first of all, Sarthak Bhaiya, I really want to say that something which is old, it doesn't mean it is bad. Okay. And second thing, I want to mention an incident which truly happened with me some month ago, where I got a message from random person and he was sharing news. I don't know how he get my number, and it showed that WhatsApp can leak your information. Like I don't know that how my number got to that person. And you're saying that WhatsApp is a very good app. It is features are very good. Then why? Then why our privacy is not safe with us?
Thank you for putting the wrong information. And let me tell you about the father. You are calling you as a father, but you were the 90s generation. Even we know very well the concept of evolution. Because of the evolution, we are here. And because of the evolution, we are here. And we are here to kill you. Because the way we kill, the way you people are killing the concept of human mind, we don't. And even you said that there is no ugly content on the Facebook, right? There is no ugly content on the Facebook, but only sexual content is there, which will kill the person from mentally. And if a person is killed mentally, then a person cannot do or cannot do greatest in his life. And this is what we this is why we prefer not to use Facebook and Instagram. Even on the Instagram, you will find some of the porn stars. They have got their IDs by which they are promoting the pornography. This is the main thing.
So the Facebook and Instagrams are the content apps first of all, and the WhatsApp is a chat app. So there is a difference between the chat app and the content app. In Instagram, I have seen a lot of 18 plus content, sexual content, which is unblurred. I would say which is unblurred, but in Facebook, you would not find any content which is unblurred. There is 18 plus content in Facebook which is unblurred, blurred. But in Instagram, there is every content I have seen. If you will make a new ID on your Instagram, you will see the content which is unblurred and perfectly sexual content. And in WhatsApp, you said that there is a lot of upgradation in in the WhatsApp communities and the groups. There are groups. Which type of groups they are? In which you can't message. The person who's in front of you is messaging you, and you are following him. But he's sending the jokes, the memes. They are sending that kind of thing. These memes are not affecting our mind. Okay, the Instagram reels are affecting our mind. Now let's move on to the communities. In communities, what they are showing us, the groups, the normal groups which are getting shown in our chats. So they are also showing it in the communities. There is nothing different in it. And let's move on to the payment app. It's just rubbish thing. Whenever I get a scanner on my WhatsApp, it just totaled up and it shows that please pay it from WhatsApp. Why haven't you used Paytm WhatsApp? It's not trustable.
Okay, so well, let me tell you that in Instagram we have a content, a lot of content, and we can explore the creators' content, we can explore the influencer content, and even Instagram shows you what which you want to see. It doesn't mean that Instagram forcefully shows you sexual content and nudity. If you want to if like Instagram shows you that content which you want to see, and also in Instagram we can interact with so many people. Have we can have some collaboration with brands in Instagram, from which we can also earn we can also gain fame, and which will help us to improve. And also in Instagram we'll find that we can showcase our talent too.
Yes, you're correct. If you're talking about speaking wrong, I think that in Instagram, lots of people are indulging in reels, in actings, and what they are getting, I think nothing they are getting. I have a survey in which 55% of the people are just wasting their time, and you are saying that they are using it. I think they are wasting their time. And in WhatsApp, 17% of the people they use it. So I think you can see the difference between the Instagram and the WhatsApp. And one more thing that I want to convey, that the content, as you are stating, the reels is one of the coolest things that I have ever seen in my life. The things that even don't ever done in this world, in this competitive world. In this competitive world, we should be more productive. But in this, we are that much productive that we are making reels on the exam, in having in a difficult time. We are making reels. So how this type of thing are applicable in this world? I think you should stop it.
So Lakshay, as you are saying that they are just learning reels, how to make reels and use their productive, they're wasting their productive time. So what you have learned from Instagram or from WhatsApp?
Let me tell
Nothing. Let me speak first. So what you have learned from WhatsApp? Nothing. Wasting time on chats, wasting time on text. At least they have learned how to make reels. That's a creativity they are having in them. And after making so much reels, after monetizing their channel, at least they will get collaborations, which can earn, which can giving them money. But from WhatsApp, you are earning nothing, not even a single penny, and there is not even a chances of earning. And next, I want to counter that Nisha's the point that she said WhatsApp is having end-to-end encrypted messages. So have you ever seen that Instagram and WhatsApp, Facebook chats are getting leaked somewhere? Never. I haven't seen it. But you are saying that, so it would be. Let me. That's all from my side.
So-
Well, thank you so much, Facebook, that you have supported us. Thank you so much. Yes, you are right that by collaboration we can earn. It can help us financially. What about WhatsApp? Only chats, nothing else. What about Facebook? Nothing. Thank you so much. And second thing is that it's if we talk about Instagram users, so mostly 18 to 35 people uses it, And the second thing is that if these both apps are this much important, so why Buddy is here? Like Buddy has got 1 million. Soon we will get 10 million. No issue. I don't see that. I don't think that we have got channel in Facebook or we have community in WhatsApp.
So, I would like to counter his points. That is Piyush. So, you want to know about the like what we are learning from learning productive from WhatsApp. So, as you are added in the group, that is Spartans. Yeah, that is Spartans. And Abhay Bhaiya send us some more than productive things and knowledgeable things. So if you are thinking that the WhatsApp is not like productive app, so you have to first of all you have to uninstall that, because that is unproductive for you.
On WhatsApp, you must have seen the most beautiful quotation on WhatsApp. Only in the morning, people send good morning, having a big sun, having sun rays, a big flower. At the same, Facebook is known as the world's biggest graveyard, where we have got maximum dead accounts. And Instagram is quite famous for Teri Pyari Pyari Do Akhiyan. Nothing else serious. Apart from all these jokes, all these three applications are completely amazing if you know how to use it. I am Abhay Rai, one of the trainers of Bar English Academy, have really seen Bar English Academy growing by the help of these apps. I have really seen people sharing our content on Instagram, like because we have got 1.1 million, as you all know. But how did we get this much like familiar and popular? The reason being people, and the maximum people use Instagram of this youth, and this is the truth. We cannot deny. But before 8 years, before 9 years, Facebook used to be the one, but people used to love a lot. But these days, the demand of Facebook has gone quite back. WhatsApp is like official king of every place. School group, college group, office group, whatever the group is, you would find on YouTube. Like you would find on WhatsApp. There's no particular groups. There are some official groups on Instagram. There are hardly some official groups on Facebook. But yeah, there are groups on WhatsApp. So all these three apps plays a vital role in everyone's life. And I just want to conclude this debate right here only. And I want everybody to clap for themselves. Clap till the time is recording.